Distance students also have access to a lot of digital resources in the UNC library system. Doing a search in the catalog will return results for books, both print and electronic, journals, again, both print and electronic, and streaming media like videos and DVDs, and also some additional online resources from our special collections. Specific article titles do not appear in a catalog search. The easiest way to search through the catalog is to start at the home page. And to do this, I'll click on the tab for catalog, and I will enter my search term. This will take me to the whole university library's catalog. So if this is too many results, there are a few ways that I can narrow it down. First, if I want to search for a specific title, author, subject heading, or ISBN number, I can do that right here. I can also click on New Search. Probably a more accurate description of this would be Advanced Search, but right now it's called New Search. And I can narrow my results by selecting any of these boxes, inputting additional information, and searching for my whatever I'm searching for again right there. Going back to the search results page, I can also refine my search using this left box and selecting some of the filters here. Distance students will probably be most interested in electronic books, so the easiest way to filter out the results to only display electronic books is to go to the location heading and select electronic books. And when you select an ebook, you don't have to worry about any sort of checking out the book, checking it back in. You don't have to worry about overdue fines. All you have to do is click this link, full text available, and you get instant access to the book. So some publishers will have the full book available in a PDF that you can download. Some publishers will have the book only available through a web browser. It differs a little bit, but it's all the same. It will provide you with instant access. And if you ever run into a problem accessing a book, you can always contact us and let us know, and we'll try to figure out what the problem is. So let's say that I found a book that's exactly on target. This is exactly what I'm searching for, and now I want to search for more books that are similar in topic to this one. What I can do is look through this book's subject headings. Right here at the bottom, select the tab Subjects, and it will list some subject headings that the book is filed under. I can select one of these subject headings, and it will display more books that are also filed under this subject heading. I should also mention that UNC is currently testing a new beta catalog, and it's likely going to be rolling out the new design sometime in the summer of 2019. So just to show you what that looks like a little bit, I'm going to navigate to the beta version of the catalog. And obviously it looks a little bit different. It's a little more user-friendly. The process for searching is still the same. You can type in your search term here. Again, if I wanted to select the title or the author, anything like that, I can do it. I can select search. And the one major difference if you're searching for electronic books is that you won't be searching through location. You'll actually, all you have to do is select this box right here, available online, and it will filter out the print books, and you'll only see resources. In this case, I haven't selected book, so it's just returning journals, any special materials, also books. If I just want electronic books, I can select resource type, and now I have what I'm wanting.